We have at the Florence Avenue and Broadway Avenue. There abandoned gas station, and I just passed by here. Apparently, their business going on right here. They do computers and they have clothes, they have shoes. I will try to come in to see what they have. Okay, they get all kinds of different shoes. All right, sports. Okay, lady purse. All the different shoes right here. Oh, that's some fancy shoes right here. That's a jacket. Oh, nice. I like that. And shirt. Yeah. Let's come inside. All right, come on in here. Open. All right. Ooh. Hey, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
How are you? How are you?
Fine.
Yeah. I just passed by
Yes, sir.
and I see your shop, and I see you really kind of like open a business and
Yes,
try
sir.
to like serving, and you just pay the bill. You know, I ran to this place, and you want. It look like you do a lot of the businesses in here.
Yes,
so
sir.
can you introduce you and talk about what you have here?
Yeah, my name is Micky Smith. This is Discount Computer Sales and Repair. We also sell and repair computers, laptops. We also do smartphones. We also do tablets. We also sell retail, which we sell shoes, clothing. We also sell hardware.
Right.
Yeah, we do just about everything here at Discount Computer Sales and Repair.
Right.
We here located in Hattiesburg, Mississippi, 239 Broadway Drive, right here downtown in Hattiesburg, Mississippi. It's called Discount Computer Sales and Repair.
Okay.
The phone number is 601-307-0816. Come by and check us out. I'll tell you, I think you won't be disappointed in what we have here. At Discount
Yeah,
Computer
I appreciate Miss Mickey. I appreciate that you trust Hattiesburg and have faith on this Broadway. I know a lot of business moving out, but you just like step in.
Right.
You try to revive this this area, and then you pay to have this opportunity, have this platform. It look like you want a servant. And apparently you have the computer repair skill.
Yes, sir.
Would you talk about share how do you have this skill?
Basically, I went to a university college out of Atlanta, Georgia. And so I went to Georgia Community College, and I got my computer science degree, computer technology degree, and my A1 degree in computers.
Right.
So I decided I want to also, by me being disabled, I decided I wanted to add a little bit more to my disability. Didn't want to depend on my disability, so I opened up this business to, kind of enhance that area. But like I said, I went to school and got my license and everything.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So you said you have a little bit like a health disabled
Right.
issues.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but you don't want to fully just like just say I don't want to do anything. I just live on it.
Right.
But you still want to just like try the best you can to serve it.
That's right.
Right.
I just didn't want to depend on disabilities, so I kind of just stepped out a little bit and decided to open up a business to not just so depend on disability.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. That's kind of inspire. We may disable, but we are always able to do something. That we do the best we can do. I saw a lot of here, a lot of like a hardware right here, computer thing, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's good. You have all that, right?
Yes,
And-
sir. We have hard drives, man. We have
Right.
HDMIs. We got quite a bit of stuff. Anything that you want to deal with computers.
You have this all different computer system right
Yes, sir.
here.
Yes, sir. They have,
You have like a laptop, desktop, right?
Right.
Yeah. Well, for this computer, look like some supercomputer right here.
Right,
What's
right.
special about them?
those are servers back there. We also build servers. We also customize, and we also can customize a computer for you.
Right. So, will you call yourself a computer guru?
Oh yeah. Computer guru.
Good computer guru, yeah.
Computer expert.
Expert, yeah, right, yeah. So usually, like you will see young folks, but I'm not saying you're old, you're still young,
Yeah.
but just like, it's a pretty special.
Yes, sir.
And that you do all the computer thing. Yeah, right.
Professionalized.
Yes.
Specialized in computer repair.
Yes, sir.
And customized, which we can customize computers at the same time.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
In order for a small business like mine and other small
Right.
businesses, we need support to remain. We can't for a small business. We just as important to the city of Hattiesburg as any other business.
Right. I think, before we can support the community more, you need to be support. At least you can pay your bill.
Right.
Pay the bill, resolve all that. And plus the thing, when people pass by, there's no empty building.
Right.
There's business going on. People can stop by. And that's why I stop by and buy a nice purse for my wife and shoes for her. And it turned out great. And I will get a shirt from here too. Get a shoes. And later I have computers and coming. I think, in Hattiesburg, we all need to support each other.
Yes, sir.
Especially is give people a chance.
Right.
Especially for the people who own business, he really have the face of braveness, open up the business.
Right.
The business may be not the best, maybe a little bit humble looking,
right.
but they have big face there,
yes,
right?
sir.
They have a serving heart, so we all need a kind of support.
Right.
Yeah, support, give people a chance. All they need is just a chance.
One chance.
Just a chance.
Just a chance.
Yeah, okay, all right, Hattiesburg, I wish you all coming, support Mr. Micky, and give Micky a chance.
Yeah.
And he will surprise you with his skill and with his product.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Miss Micky. God bless your business.
239 Broadway Drive in Hattiesburg, Mississippi.
Yes, sir.
Discount computer sales and repair and more.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you very much.
Okay, yes, sir.